All right, all right. Happy Sunday, everyone. We're doing a portfolio review on Gabriella. Um, all right, let's do it. It's been a while since we've done your update. Okay, so as a reminder, this is Gabriella's long-term custodial account. So this account will transfer to her when she is 18 years old. So let me just start off with the top and then we'll go into the individual stock performance. So her account value is about 5,100 right now. She is in the negative 16%, but we'll talk a little bit about why that's negative because she does also have some that are profitable. She has $220 in her account that's available for buying stocks, but we haven't bought any recently, but we will deploy that as soon as we think that there's a good buying opportunity. So what does she have in her account? She has Waste Management, Fidelity Healthcare, Disney, Tilray Brands, MPW, which is another healthcare sector, and then Virgin Galactic, which is space travel. And this is unfortunately her worst performing stock right now, but again, this is going to be a long-term portfolio. So if you're a believer in space travel in the future, especially when Gabriella turns 18 in another 10 years, this could turn around performance. So we'll see. All right, so starting with Waste Management, as you can see, Waste Management, this one is up almost about 46%. So this is her biggest winner right now, Waste Management. She is up $548. High five on that one. $548 on this one. She has 10 shares. The Fidelity Healthcare, this one is only up 1%, so not doing too well right now, but healthcare is big, and I think will only get better. She only has 5 shares on this one. Disney, everybody knows Disney, so Disney, she has 16 shares. Currently, it's down almost 5%, but I think that Disney will continue to be here, definitely when she's 18 years old. So I definitely think that the price of this one will continue to go up. Tilray Brands, and then MPW, another healthcare sector, down 25%, down 22%. And again, Virgin Galactic Space, this one is down 67%. Unfortunately, I bought this one pretty high. We'll go over that in a little bit, but again, this is long term. So let's do some quick reviews. So charts. These are going to be a 3-year chart. So going back to May of 2020, Waste Management, as you can see, upwards trend, right? So we have resistance at $175. Support is at what, Gabriella?
I cannot see that.
Oh, that's all right. Don't worry. I know you don't got your glasses on.
Yeah.
$140. The current price is $168. She bought it at $115, so that's why this one's her best performing stock. And based on this 3-year trend, I think this will continue to go up. Next is Fidelity Healthcare. Again, 3-year chart. It is somewhat consolidating. It hit a high of $69. She bought it at $62.78. But right now it's still in an upward channel since 2020, so we're still positive about this one. Disney has been on a downward trend, as many of you recall when the parks closed back in 2020 because of COVID fears. It did have a downwards trend. They do have a new CEO now. She bought it at $105. The current price is $100. So not too bad. The high of Disney was at $203. We still think we can make that one. So bought it at $105. If it gets back to $200, she'll close to almost double her money. So again, this is long term. So we're a big believer in Disney, right? Awesome. Tilray Brands. This one's not performing too well right now. She paid $356. Current price $277. This one is you'll have to look this one up, but resistance is at $5, support $2.17. It has had quite a bit of consolidation. The high of this one was $67. Bought this one a little bit too high of a price, but I think this one in the long term will recover. Company seems to be doing well. It's going through quite a bit of consolidation. So we may add more to this one while this price is still low. and then look for it to recover and go back up. Medical Trust, we bought this one, paid price $11.56. It is on a downwards trend, but prior to last year, it was floating around the $18 to $22. So we're at $11.56. We may continue to average in on this one, but we're going to look for it to break above maybe $12. And then if the channel reverses, we'll add back in and invest more into this one long term. And then last, we have Virgin Galactic. Again, this one's centered around space travel. They did have a few successful launches, but again, I think the shift on space travel, it's probably going to take a few years. As you can see, the last year and a half, it's been consolidating under $7. It dropped to a low of $2.98. But this one, again, is long-term. Virgin Galactic CEO is Sir Richard Branson, billion-dollar company. I think this one is just going to have to wait with a little bit of time until space travel really starts to connect. But again, long-term account. So we're going to average in on this one. Unfortunately, it is roughly 67% negative right now. But again, she's not using the money now, so this is going to be long-term. And then hopefully we can recoup that money and get her back in the positive. Woo, woo. Do you want to go to space travel? Okay.
I'm going to go to Disney World.
Disney World. All right. So that wraps up Gabriella's account. Again, she has $220 that we might add more positions in, but the market's been kind of volatile, so we'll keep an eye out and we'll decide what she wants to buy, and then we'll use her money that she's been earning through her part-time business to buy more shares. All right, thanks for checking in. Bye. Do you want to say anything?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Subscribe and hit that like button, and also subscribe to my dad's channel, Behavioral Well.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.